Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be the plain old home screen. And once it's open and visible on the screen, you want to hold the power key and volume down. So let's do it right now. Or actually, we just press it. Right, yep, there we go. Once you press it, it should normally give us a pop-up. It looks like it doesn't do that anymore. So from here we can either find a notification right over here, and the screenshot itself can be found in our gallery application. Let's allow, and you can see it right over here. So that's the screenshot. And that is how you capture any kind of screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.